Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable anchor links on the Evernote application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and click to the profile icon at the upper left corner of the screen and click to the third option, the settings. Here click to the third option, the notes, again under the dark mode, and you can find the anchor links option, the show a button to copy the anchor link for the selected heading. If you want to turn on, just click to the next white circle, and if it will be turned green, this function will be enabled, so you can use that. But if you want to turn off, just click that circle again. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.